Redeeming a PayPal gift card is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To redeem a PayPal gift card, you have to follow these steps. First of all, go to PayPal's gift card page and log in. Then, select the Use Gift Card option. Now, you will be prompted to enter the gift card code or voucher code in the provided field. This code is usually found on the physical gift card or in the email you received if it's a digital gift card. Enter the 16-digit code from your gift card. After entering the code, click the Redeem or Submit button. If the code is valid, the amount associated with the gift card will be added to your PayPal balance. Once you've added the gift card to your PayPal account, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the gift card amount has been added to your PayPal balance. It's as simple as selecting the gift card balance as your payment method when checking out.